CEO and co-founder of Pioneer Health Assistant Startup, aka RS. In this video, I want to talk about admin panel in the neurological disease diagnosis based on neural network application. So I want to dig into this application and be with me in this journey. Okay, after you register as a panel and give this approval that you can be an admin in your medical service center, you can log in based on your national ID and your password. After that, you log in, you can see your account and your panel that have a different feature. In the menu bar, you can see different tabs: data analysis, monitoring, users, communication, accountants, investigation, setting, and all reports. Okay. In the data analysis, after the patients send their test and send their clinical sign, you can see their path, type of disease, and the name of patient, and all those. You can select their state if you finished and if you can process all the data, and after you upload them for your patient, you can change the status to complete. In the uploads part, you can send your RS prescription or your prognosis and choose the form and send them for your doctor and your patient. And in the option part, you can see about the disease story, the doctors, and you can communicate with patient or doctor also. Okay. In the next part tab, in monitoring, you can access to the different situation. For example, if you want to know about your patient registration count, user registration count, doctor payment amount, doctor list count, or other stuff, you can choose one of them, and you can set an interval, you can set your line, bar, or chart, or if you need a cumulative situation, you can set your year, month, week, date, and after that, this panel can plot them for you automatically. Okay, the next tab in this panel is users. The users panel also, you can see different tabs. In the patient tab, you can see all the patient in your system. You can check their balance, type of insurance, province, their name, and you can see more information about them. And also, in the communication tab, you can communicate with them. In the doctor tab, you can also see their doctor names. All the doctors will exist in your panel, your system, their files, their fields. More information, and also can communicate with them too. In the accountant tab, or in the communication tab, you can communicate with both patient and doctors also. In the messaging tab, you can see a history of residents, the type of their notification, type of their message, their date, and you can see also details. In send tab, you can enter your patient or doctor, or type of both of them. You can write subject and a description, and you can even select it in message, notification, or SMS. And you can send them all patients, send them all doctor, or that specific person. Okay. The next tab is accountant. We put a very spectacular and interesting feature in this part. For example, in the transaction tab, you can see all the transactions will happen in our system, and also you can create a new transaction for your patient. The new transaction, you can set your type of service, nation, source, and amount of them, and write a description and send them all to. In the accountant tab, you can see a payment for two. In the payment, you can pay all the money that your doctor or give money for your doctor for their services and their situation, their time, their part of tax or the amount of money that you must pay to your doctor. The next tab is investigation. In the investigation tab, you can see two sections. In the report subsection, you can see all the reports that were sent from or complaint about doctors from your patient or talk about them or also other things. In the punishment tab, you can set a recipient or doctor and see their details about him and name or other stuff. You can see their rating, you can see their his balance or his balance, and you can find or you can limit, you can confine their limitation or the request or the patient that want to talk about him or clear the reports, and you can tell a description to your doctor that why we banish or why we ban him from their service, because, for example, there's a lot of complaination about him, or there's a lot of sue under sue of police or something like that. Okay, and you can see that the active user or the deactive, we can deactivate the doctor because their dissatisfaction of people from him, and we can ban him to cure our people. This application is developed by two languages, Persian and English. I will come back to our part of data analysis and talk about more about our application. When you download the files, all the tests and part of the test, for example, imaging signals that patients were sent for you, they appear in this form, and you can download it. We can analyze it based on normal flows, based on deep learning or pattern recognition method, and after that we can send the results for the output section, and after that both doctor and patient can understand this situation and the steps. This was our admin panel, and the ability, there's different kind of features that we create for people to help them to take a better treatment solution and have a better life. Thank you very much. Goodbye.